Hi friends, welcome to Hiveview Sadhya channel. All of you, good evening friends. Today I want to discuss about searching for a faculty job. By using Google, we have to search. For suppose we have to search by using a website of faculty faculty plus, then press. Here the website is open. Then go for Telangana faculty. I'm searching for Telangana faculty, that's why I'm searching it. By seeing this website, so many colleges are there like engineering, polytechnic, then you can choose as your name.